on window.location.hash change. I am using Ajax and hash for navigation. Is there a way to check if the window location hash changes? It works if I check it when the document loads, but if I have hash-based navigation it doesn't work when I press the back button on the browser, so I jump from blur hash 456 to blur hash 123. It shows inside the address box, but I can't catch it with JavaScript. If you are using jQuery, which today should be somewhat foundational for most, then a nice solution is to use the abstraction that jQuery gives you by using its event system to listen to hash change events on the window object. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to learn JavaScript. We have a number of awesome tutorials in the works.